Welcome back to my channel, dear friends. Thank you for joining me on Taslima Maya Art. I hope you've been having a wonderful new year so far into 2024. Please hit the like, share and subscribe buttons if you haven't already, and please leave me a comment at the end of this video if you found the content inspiring or interesting. Today on the Fluid Art Express we have the usual lineup and the playlist is down below, and today I'll be doing a safari sunset embellished pour for using modelling paste and APS metallic foils. So let's get to it. Here is the failed pour that I'll be embellishing today for you. Hi everyone, and I want to show you a pour today that I did a while back that I left in the summer house where it was freezing overnight, and it dried really badly and cracked in a few places, as you can see here on the edges, and it was a balloon smash. The colours are beautiful, but you can see that the paint, because it took so long to dry, became very textured, and although it's a kind of a strange look to it, I didn't really want to throw it away. I do think the colours are really nice. You can see some of the balloon smashes in it as well, but there's a lot of black in it in places as well, and a lot of texture. So what I want to do today is show you how you can take something like this, something that you're not 100% happy with, and actually turn it into something very beautiful, hopefully at the end. And the way that we're going to do this is we're going to use a few different techniques and mediums. We're going to actually use texture paste, and I'm going to show you a beautiful idea I had and how to save this pour, and that's by using this beautiful African safari stencil which I bought off Amazon quite a while back, and it's been in my drawer waiting to be used. And I love this one as soon as I saw it, because you've got the beautiful two elephants there, you've got the gorgeous trees, and you've got the wonderful water reflections as well, and I thought I could use the background of this as the safari sunset, lovely oranges and reds and the golds in the horizon, and then we've got this beautiful kind of a bluey part to it as well. So we've got that lower half of it which looks like a watering hole. So I'm hoping to place this stencil over the top and use some texture paste then to apply texture paste inside this stencil. I'm not sure 100% whether I'm going to colour the texture paste or leave it quite kind of this grey colour here, which is what a friend suggested I do, is just leave it this colour, and then maybe apply some gold leaf to it when I finish, but we'll see. I think as I progress I'll know what to do. So anyway, that's the plan today: how to embellish a pour that went wrong or went bad, and how to save it and turn it into something very, very beautiful by the end. So let's see how this pans out and what this looks like at the end. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to take down my stencil in various different places. One by here and one by here, and I've got it secure, and I'm going to be using my modelling paste, and I've mixed a little bit of this Payne's Grey into my modelling paste here. But before I do that, I'm going to use my golden heavy gloss gel, and I'm simply going to take a tiny bit of that on my brush. I'm just going to seal the edges.
You told me there'd be better days, and nothing that can pull us under. You wanna take the pain away, but know that I was born as a fighter. We fade, but we're better than that. We're better than that. I know you know, so why are we holding on, holding on? Hello, yeah, seems like we're back on start, but go. I go right and you go left before it turns to red. It's true. Hello, yeah, I hope that we could work it out. We'll never be enough for you. No shed a tear or two for good. There are other ways and other reasons, but only one that cuts to pieces. So why we tryna hide from trust when we could just leave? We fade, but we're better than that. Yeah, we're better than that. I know you know, so why are we holding on, holding on? Yeah, seems like we're back on start, but go. I go right and you go left before it turns to red. It's true. Yeah, I hope that we could work it out. We'll never be enough for you. No shed a tear or two for good. Hardest thing to do, did it all for you. Hardest thing to do, did it all for you. Hardest thing to do, did it all for you. Hello, yeah, seems like we're back on start, but go. I go right and you go left before it turns to red. It's true. I hope that we could work it out. We'll never be enough for you. No shed a tear or two for good. They call me sassy when I'm strolling down the street. They call me classy when I'm serving just the best. I can be deadly when I find somebody lovely. And now I'm ready like a kitty in a dress. Don't call me mean, I just want someone to love me. Someone to lick my wounds and kiss my aching body. My desperation knows no termination, baby. Now would you love me if I was somebody else? Wish I had a tail, wish I had a tail. 'Cause if I did then I would swing it, be swinging it in front of you. If I had a tail, if I had a tail, yeah, if I did then I would swing it, be swinging it in front of you. I would swing it to the beat, I'd be a mover, and everyone be jealous of my touch. I just wanna be the one that makes you drool. No, I'd be a super duper cool, not a smoother little puss. Wish I had a tail, wish I had a tail. 'Cause if I did then I would swing it, be swinging it in front of you. If I had a tail, if I had a tail.
Okay, so I was just thinking that I could add this beautiful foil from APS Foils, metallic foils, or balia.co.uk to my tree, because it just looks stunning and it brings out all of the multicolours in the background as well. What do you guys think? I've got lots of choice though, so these are the other colours that I could use.
be swinging it in front of you. Now don't call me mean, I just want someone to love me, someone to lick my wounds and kiss my aching body. My desperation knows no termination, baby.
Okay, so we've got this foil, which will look beautiful for the water, I think. And we've got that foil, which will look beautiful for the trees, I think. Unusual that it is, a bit pebbly, but I think it's really pretty. So what do you guys think? Yay or nay? Let's go for it.
Now would you love me if I was somebody else? Wish I had a tail, wish I had a tail. 'Cause if I did then I would swing it, be swinging it in front of you. If I had a tail, if I had a tail, yeah, if I did then I would swing it, be swinging it in front of you. Wish I had a tail, wish I had a tail. 'Cause if I did then I would swing it, be swinging it in front of you. If I had a tail, if I had a tail, yeah, if I did then I would swing it, be swinging it in front of you.